camel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy the video. Be sure to watch it till the end. At the camel farm, the camel is provided with fresh food and clean water every day. On the farm, trained workers take care of the camel's cleanliness every day. Now the workers carefully guide the camel onto the truck for transportation. The truck departs from the farm and begins its journey to the factory. The workers carefully guide the camel out of the truck and into the factory. With great care, the camel is gently unloaded from the truck into the factory area. Now in the factory, the workers give the camel food to eat. The workers take the camel to the health check room. Now the camel's health is checked. The workers take the camel out of the health check room. The results of the camel's health check are now verified and approved on the computer. After the examination, the camel's health status is officially approved digitally. Now the workers take the camel in the factory for the next process. The workers wash the camel in the factory's washing hall. Now the camel is dried in the factory in front of large fans. The workers cut the camel's white wool in the factory using a machine. The workers wash the camel's white wool in a machine at the factory. During the washing process, the workers carefully inspect the white wool. The workers monitor and check the quality of the white wool as it is being washed.